Hi everyone, let's talk about NPN transistor in common emitter configuration. So first of all, let's try to understand what is NPN transistor. NPN transistor consists of three types of semiconducting devices. First one is emitter. This contains N type of semiconducting material, and base contains P type semiconducting material, and collector contains N type semiconducting material. Also, emitter is heavily doped, and this has got a large number of free electrons. Base is thin and this is lightly doped, and this has got positive charges. Collector is moderately doped and this has got electrons. So let's try to understand how does this NPN transistor in common emitter configuration works. In this case, emitter is common to both collector and base. Actually, emitter is grounded and the current from the collector side and the base side flows into the emitter side. The emitter base junction is forward biased with the help of battery VBE, and collector base junction is reverse biased with the help of battery VCE. Since emitter base junction is forward biased, a large number of electrons tries to push themselves into the base, and since base is thin and also collector is kept at a positive potential due to the battery VCE. Therefore, most of the electrons, around 95% of the electrons, are able to cross over the collector, and therefore current flows into the opposite direction. This is IC. Also, around 5% of electrons which are not able to cross the collector, they goes into the side of this battery. Therefore, current IB flows into the opposite direction. So this is current IB, this is current IC, and this is current IE. As per the Kirchhoff's current law, this current IE is equal to IB plus IC, and this IC contains around 95% of the current, and IB contains around 5% of the current. Alright, thank you very much.